All right, let's get practical. I'm going to give you your exact action plan for the first 30 days. This is where the rubber meets the road. Week 1, setup. Day 1, choose your niche and define your audience, 2 hours. Day 2, create your lead magnet using the 4 U's framework, 4 hours. Day 3, write your authority story in all 3 versions, 2 hours. Day 4, optimize social profiles and set up tracking, 3 hours. Day 5, research and apply to affiliate programs, 3 hours. Day 6, plan a 30-day content calendar, 2 hours. Day 7, create an email welcome sequence, 3 hours. Notice I'm giving you specific time allocations. This isn't busy work. Every hour is focused on revenue generating activities. This is how I get more done in 1 week than most do in 1 year. You need to lock in. Literally, lock yourself in a room and don't leave until you are ready. Week 2, content launch week, your daily routine. Post 10x value content, 30 minutes. Engage with 15 plus posts in your niche, 20 minutes. Respond to all comments personally, 10 minutes. Track engagement rates and follower growth, 10 minutes. Goal, 50 plus new email subscribers every week. Week 3, trust building week. You continue the daily content, but now you add personal stories twice weekly. You begin documenting the small wins, featuring community members. Goal, 100 plus new email subscribers. Week 4, soft integration week. Continue the daily content mix, add 1 or 2 soft mentions of affiliate offers weekly, share your case studies with attribution, test different integration methods. Goal, first affiliate clicks and around 200 plus subscribers. Now let me show you what you can realistically expect for revenue in your first 90 days. Conservative performers are the bottom 75%. In 1 month, you're earning 0 to 500 with 200 and 500 subscribers. Foundation building. In month 2, you're bringing $500 to $2,000, and now you're up to 500 to 1,200 subscribers of your first sales. In month 3, your income is between $1,500 and $5,000 with 1,200 to 2,500 subscribers. Now this is optimization. High performers are in the top 20%. In 1 month, they scale from 1,000 to 3,000 with 500 to 1,500 subscribers. Quick traction. In month 2, income is anywhere between $3,000 to $8,000, building momentum with 1,500 to 4,000 subscribers. In month 3, you're pushing through 5 figures with $10,000 to $15,000, and you have proof of concept of the system that is working with 4,000 to 10,000 subscribers. Elite performers are in the top 5%. In 1 month, you're maintaining 5-figure earnings of over $10,000 to $50,000. Plus, you have 10,000 to 25,000 subscribers in your growth. In month 2, you're scaling up to 6 figures, $100,000 plus, and reaching authority status with 25,000 to 75,000 subscribers. In month 3, now we're bringing in decent revenue, anywhere from $50,000 to $500,000, and established as an industry leader with 75 to 200,000 subscribers. Here's what separates the elite performers from everyone else. Obsessive focus on audience value. Every piece of content provides immediate actionable value. Promotion of only ultra high quality offers. They only promote what they would personally invest in. Consistent daily execution for 90 plus days. They treat content creation like a business appointment. Rapid testing and optimization. They test everything and double down on what works. Building genuine relationships. 1,000 true fans beats 100,000 passive followers. Your homework right now is to complete week 1. Don't move till week 2 until you've finished every single day through 1 to 7. In the next module, I'll show you the success multipliers that can accelerate your growth exponentially.